Hello, my fellow traders. Welcome once again to our weekly market outlook. This is where we dissect the markets recap, what we analyzed the previous week, and what we our expectation in upcoming week. We will look at the past week that just ended and the upcoming week that is coming up. Also, we like we normally do. We look at the DXY, we look at the Euro USD, we look at pounds USD. We also look at the US30. We look at the S&P 500. We also look at the Nasdaq, and last but not the least, we also look at the gold. There is that out of the way. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, just take a second to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's dive into the charts because first of all, we will be starting with like as we normally do. We'll be starting with DXY. We start with DXY. We head to our weekly charts. That is our weekly chart. This is DXY weekly charts. All right. Okay, like we really pointed out last previous week that this inversion fair value gap we expect price to go because on a daily time frame is more clearer. So this weekly fair value gap is holding price, and also we have this level is 3 months fair value gap. So on our weekly chart, so we had this expectation that the market will rally up, at least take out this liquidity around this level, like this liquidity here. So we expect market to take out this liquidity, and market exactly did that. Let's head to weekly charts to see the more clearer price action. This is the weekly charts, and this is the range that we are looking at. See, this is the range we are looking at, and we are expecting price to hold this level, and that is exactly what market just did. Exactly what market. So immediately we got up on Monday. So since on Monday, price have been on just a massive 4 days bullish close candle. So that is what we have. Then due to I believe you remember what's this today is Friday. This is the Friday charts. So price has been retracing since it gets to this point, it gets to this level. Price has been retracing when it got to this level. Yeah, we'll be expecting at least other deeper retracements at least this level. So we'll be expecting retracements at this level also. We'll be expecting retracements at here. Maybe from there we go up. This is for daily time frame, so let's bear that in mind. This analysis, this is will be for daily time frame, because on the weekly chart also we expect bullish split. As I'm still expecting a bullish, but in market anything can happen, and there is a little bit of shift in market sentiment, especially when it has to do with US markets. Seems like another trade war is brewing, so we'll be monitoring that So because sometimes your analysis will be correct, but just one tweet from Trump will mess everything up anyway. So we'll be monitoring that also. But in all, I will expect a little bit retracement, then on a daily time frame also, then probably we move and clear this buy side liquidity, this trend line liquidity. So that will be for DXY. Then we head to Euro USD. So basically, we did expect this downward move. So this is the inverse of DXY. So anything that happened to the other assets, the inverse we experience that. Now on Euro USD, on a weekly time frame, nothing is like these are our expectations. So probably we might have some indecision week, like something like a range band week or whatever, because we had this massive weekend drop. So maybe probably this week we will have some little bit range, maybe inside bar or whatever. So with the inside bar, maybe the upper week, then we will use that as far as price still maintain this fair value gap. At least they stay close below it. So I will still be bullish as far as price will be closing below it. I will be bearish. Sorry to say. So to say, I will be bearish on this if price continue to maintain this weekly fair value at the lower parts. So I will be bearish. So I will expect price to come and take all this range. Honestly, this is the range we are working on a higher time frame. So we don't know how retracement we are. Maybe we were expecting like something like a 50% retracement or whatever. So we were expecting maybe something like a 50 retracement from this high. So maybe from here we were expecting price to reach to this point. So this is for GXY Euro USD, just for Euro USD. So maybe on the longer time frame, but remember, one tweet can mess everything up. So we might expect some little bit drop somewhere here. Take this sell side liquidity, take this sell side liquidity embed before moving higher. So that is for Euro USD, and we head to pounds USD. Yeah, this pounds USD, like on our previous week video, we expect bearish on this pair. Price absolutely did some fantastic work, and finally we caught this weekly rejection candle. But my expectations still lie on this monthly fair value gap. So probably price should come and tap to this level before, but we should be expecting some range. Maybe we can form something like inside bar here. If we can form inside bar here, form inside bar this week you want to end, then we have a little bit fair value gap here. Then maybe with the once price go up like this a little bit, then we have this drop for massive up move. So these are just expectation. So also we watch out for manual intervention. like it happened today. One tweet from Trump messed everything up, especially once you are dealing with assets. So we head to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, there's a tweet from Trump that messed everything up, like all the bullishness. This is a monthly chart, so this retracement that wants to happen now, I don't know how low it can be. Maybe we can come to this level. Maybe we can reach up to here. This favor do that on a monthly time frame. So, but this is still on them. So we may expect some downward there, about 22,000. So we'll be expecting 22,000. But this is a very, very deep retracement. So we'll be expecting some retracements coming to next week and thereabouts. So we expect some retracements going forward now. Okay, we'll be expecting some retracement downward. And this also, this is S&P. So we'll also be expecting some retracements in S&P. We'll be expecting some retracements. We'll be expecting some retracements maybe from here to here. So this level, this retracement is, what level is this? It's about 5,900. But this year, this should be a very stronger retracement. Excuse me. So today, there is earthquake because of tweets from one person. This is why we have this about almost like a 15 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. About 90 trading days. Only one candle has wiped up everything. So we are going to a deeper retracement now. All assets are road to retracements now. All assets are road to retracements. Like all these trend line, the liquidity. They are the rate targets now. So they are the targets. So all of this trend line liquidity, we expect them. We are expecting them to be clear as now. And that is for that. We also be monitoring what is happening, especially when it has to do with this China, US-China trade relationship. So we'll be monitoring that also. Because as it is now, that is the market driver. That is the market driver I'm seeing right now. So push price lower. Okay, good had made a all-time high. Good touch 4,000 this week. Also good, we'll be expecting a little bit pullback. Maybe we might be expecting pullback. Or they can decide to be one higher. There is no even sign of pullback on gold. None. There is not sign of pullback on gold for now. So I think we will continue to be bullish on gold until there is a sign of any pullback. No sign of gold on pullback. Okay, pounds. I didn't talk about the daily time frame. Is also basically the same thing. So I don't know how. I'll be watching how price respects this. I'll be watching how price respect this. Excuse me. I'll watch how price respect this. I can't understand. How is price going to respect this fair value gap? This weekly fair value gap here. So I'll be watching how price will do. Maybe we can rally up somewhere here. Then we use it to come down and also keep respecting this that is this very shorter block here. So if we maintain 50%, we don't close above 50% of this from this low to this high. So if I'm bearish, I wouldn't want price to close above it. So we can use this and go down. So that will be my on a daily time frame. Come here, use it, and continue to go down at this hour. But this US, I don't know what. Let's keep on looking at charts. Let's chart tell us what he wants to do. We will follow charts. What charts say. All right, smart fellow trader. That will be all for now. If you are new to the channel, if you are not subscribed before, make sure you subscribe. Trade smart. Be safe.